So guys, there's another video I'm going to be uploading today, or making or something. But I got a flat tire, I need to go fix that. I have some other parts I want to add to my truck. I'll show you what it is. So I'm going to add this shift knob. And then I want to add these fender, well I'm going to put them on the fenders for blinkers, my turn signals. So I'm going to install those, have to cut a hole in the fender and then put those in, wire them to the turn signal, and they should be working. But I'm going to put these in on the fenders. I've been wanting to do that for a while. And I got a wooden shift knob. The only thing is that I have to go to Lowe's and get a new screw that fits the 240 short shifter. Just epoxy it in there. There's a truck right now, it's been out for a week since I got a flat tire, so I've just been driving another car. But here's a tire. So you can see it's flat. There's a hole somewhere along here, so I'm gonna go fix it. But yeah, it shouldn't be taking that long. I'm just gonna go get it parts real quick at a local tire shop here. But where I want to add the side markers are like around here or even up here. But I want to figure that out later, see where it looks better. And yeah, I'll get back with you guys. So I finished the tire, putting it back. It's held up pretty good, so hopefully it lasts a little longer while I have it in the shop. And once I get it out, probably go get a new tire after that. But right now it should be fine. I'm not gonna be driving too much, just to work and back. But I'm not gonna have the truck. I'm gonna drop it off Monday, and then I'll show you guys how the tire, like how I put the tire back on. And also the side markers that I'm gonna be installing are these ones. You're gonna on the fenders, and I'll show you guys where I exactly want to put them. Let me show you guys. Sorry for all the mess. I haven't had driven the truck for like about a week, so there's a kind of messy. So I want to put it around this location, right there, either there or up here, depending on where it's flatter or fit in flush. So that's where I would want it. The tire back up and running. But that's where I'm thinking of putting the side marker, this one. And also this is a shift knob that I want to install, like I said earlier. So what I have to do is take this nut out right there, take it out, get another one that fits a 240 thread on the short shifter, put it back, epoxy it, it should be good. Wood grain. So yeah, that's what it is. And you can see the management stuff that I have back here. It's kind of dirty because I haven't been driving it, so it just sits in here, collects dust. But yeah, these are my packages that I just got. I opened them, but I'm gonna reveal them to you guys, like try to reveal them. But here's this. Try to make this fast as possible. So those are the plates for the bags. And these are just all other plates that I'm using for the brackets for the shock door. Here's the bottoms where the bags bolt on. And here's the top plate. So that is part of the stuff that's in this box. I have these other ones. These are for the lower control arm. That's one of them. I have another one. Here's hardware. And here are the brackets for the shocks. I believe that's what it is. I'm not too sure. But there's that. And here's the other. The other lower control arm. Part that welds onto the, these weld onto the lower control arms. I have no clue how. My friend's gonna figure that out, but that's the kit for the front. If you guys want some of this stuff, you guys could hit up Roadie Fabrication. You guys probably know him with his Purple Crush Hardbody and his little blue truck on YouTube. Yeah, so I ordered all these parts off of him. If you guys need any of the stuff, hit him up. Shout out to him for giving me these, or for shipping these parts out to me. Hopefully once they install, they look freaking good. And I'll show you guys the process of when these get installed. I'll be going to the shop and showing you step by step, not step by step, but showing you the process of what my buddy's gonna be installing these with. So also in this package, these are fittings for the bags, and these are the ones I'm gonna be installing right here. Slam Specialties. These are the RE7s, and these are the RE6s. So this is gonna be running in the front, and these are gonna be the ones I'm running in the back. RE7s, they're a little bit bigger, so they can support more weight in the back. So these are for the back, these are for the front. I have a pair of each. If you guys want some of these parts, you guys can order them off Slam Specialties right there. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing soon, is installing those bags, installing the bags for my truck, and that's all the stuff I need for now. So hopefully Monday when it comes, I'll drop it off, give my truck like 2-3 weeks, whatever time he needs, he can get it done, and that's what's gonna be coming up soon. So stay tuned, guys. If you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe please. Leave me comments down below if you guys have any questions or opinions or different things you want me to do better in. I could, like, just little things help me so I could improve my channel. And thank you to all the subscribers again. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing a lot more new stuff. I'm gonna be installing those right here, the side markers. And just stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing that today. Hopefully my video is not too long, but you guys have to watch it to the end so you guys can see the end product of the side markers on the fenders. Thank you guys, and I'll come back with you guys once I'm ready to install the side markers. Also, forgot to mention one more thing. If you guys want any other things like the front back kit that I got, he also makes bolt-on C-notches. He makes anything you probably want, upper control arms and stuff like that. If you guys don't know him already, you can follow his Instagram or Snapchat, his Instagram or YouTube channel, and he posts a lot of stuff that he'll like make for you guys. And mostly on Instagram, that's where he posts all his stuff he makes, like orders he ships out and stuff, so you guys can take a look at that and see if you guys want to order future product from him. So hit him up, and I'll put his Instagram in the description below. And thank you guys, stay tuned. Alright, I'm back. I just came back from Lowe's. I went to Lowe's to go pick up this for the Dremel so I can cut out the outline where the light's gonna go in. And I also picked up some JB weld epoxy for the shift knob, because I need to glue in the nut that fits the 240 short shifter that I have in my truck. So I just have to swap out the nut and glue it in, and it should be good. So I got that, and right now I have one of my old fenders, the stock fenders. So I'm gonna practice on this one. So I'm gonna cut a circle down here and up here and see where I like it better, where it fits better, and hopefully it fits good. But this is a little thing, so I'm gonna either have it inside up here or somewhere down here, but I'm gonna see where it fits better and where it looks better. Hopefully this helps you guys if you guys ever want to do this, because I don't think I've seen anybody do this. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna measure right now, and I'll get back to you guys after I get the measurements and the outline I'm gonna do on the fender, on top and bottom. So that's the measurement for the length, and for the width, an inch. And then for the other part of the light, we have to cut out this thing so it clips in that part. so we can clip into here. So I'll get back to you guys once I cut this little part out, and then this should fit in. And then if it looks good, then we'll do it to that fender over there.
But you gotta remember, each side marker they get is different.
Oh yeah.
So depending on what side marker they get, the dimensions are gonna be different.
Oh yeah. So this is just a view of how to kind of do it. It all depends on what you get. So
yeah.
I got this one, so that's why I measured all that.
But the steps are the same.
So it's the same steps. You just have to cut it and just keep going from there. All right. I'll get back with you guys after I cut this. All right. All right. So the outline is done. So it's gonna be our template to be able to do it on the fender that I have on the truck right now. So we're just gonna trace this out and then just stick it on the truck, and we're gonna use this as a template. Now this, put it in this way and just push down and it clips right in. So there's that, and then we're just gonna wire this. That bulb, we're just gonna wire it to my turn signals on my truck, on the turn signals, and just run wire from there to give power to the bulb so it flickers on and off with the turn signal. Alright, so here's my template. Kind of see it. So I'm gonna cut around this, like just to score it, take the tape off, and then make the final cut, and hopefully it should fit in perfectly. So just finished cutting the hole out right here, and here's a side marker, so it just pops right into place. That's it. So right now I'm just gonna finish wiring it to the turn signal down there in the bumper, and it should light up. So guys, I'm back here. It's in the next day already. Last night I had to finish everything up. It got pretty dark, so I couldn't really get a good footage at night. But I finished both side markers on both fenders. I just connected them to the corner light so they stay on during the night when I'm driving. They came out pretty good. I was gonna wire them originally to the turn signal, but I was just like, might as well just wire them right here to the corner light. But they came out pretty good. If you guys like it, let me know. Leave comments down below. But I'm sorry I didn't really record of how I did everything, because I ran out a little bit of time and it was kind of getting dark. But I just basically just ran 2 wires from the light bulb on the fender light straight to the corner signal, and just kind of like, that's where I got the power from the 2 wires going to the turn signal light, and then just wired them all together and then ran power to that light on the fender. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Hopefully you guys understand that. If you guys need any other help, I'll try to put more of an explanation on the next video I'm gonna put up. But here's the outcome, how it came out. There's a turn signal. Let me turn it on for you guys. That's how it looks, lit up. And get the other side. It lights up. It's a little thing I've been wanting to do for a while, but it came out pretty good. So just let me know how you guys, or what you guys think about this video. I tried doing something different today, but that's another thing I just wanted to get out of the way. Also, I added a new shift knob and some other little things I'll show you guys right now. So there's the shift knob, wood grain, and then I added that fusa knot, I think that's what it's called, and then I also added this junction produce for the seats. I have the other one at home. I just took it off because I didn't put it on right, but that's all I've done to it so far. And then you guys already know the carpet. But yeah, that's all I've been doing to it so far. Just making it, trying to look clean from the inside as best as I could. And then today I'm going to be dropping it off at the shop to get it done, to get the front bag finished. But yeah, that's all I've been doing right now. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helped you a little bit to get an idea of how to do it. Just make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I know I probably already said that in the beginning of the video, but it really means a lot to get to my goal that I want to hit 1,000 by this end of this month. Hopefully I'll get that, and I'll try to put out more footage for you guys of the process of getting the front mounts for the bags put on and welded and everything. So I'll try to get as much as footage of that done at the shop. But thank you guys, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.